AI talking fruit videos are exploding on TikTok right now, racking up millions of views. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this viral AI fruit video with just one tool. No complex software, no expensive gear, just pure AI magic. Let's dive in.
Head over to Fotor's AI image generator. I'm going to type in a gentle pear wearing white t-shirt and camel casual trousers, 3D Pixar style. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for those vertical shorts. Hit generate. Look at this guy. He's already a star. Then we generate the other characters.
Now that we have our star, we need a stage.
Head back to Fotor's AI image generator. Upload the image from step 1 and type the environment prompt. Hit generate. Now our character is perfectly placed within a high-quality scene. Switch to Fotor's image to video tab. Make sure you pick Kling 3.0 model and upload your scene. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want the character to do and say. Remember to turn on the audio button. Select the definition and duration, then hit generate.
Are you always this bold with strangers?
Only the ones worth impressing.
I'll allow it.
Good, I was hoping you'd say that.
So, where to next?
Anywhere, as long as you're coming with me.
Smooth answer.
I've been practicing.
So, is this where I ask for your number? It's really that simple. You don't need a whole production team when you have AI doing the work for you. I've dropped the Fotor link and the prompts in the description below, so you can start creating your own viral fruit squad today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Catch you in the next one.